This week we watched the TED Talk with Titus Kaphar on whether art can amend history. Then we were asked to consider the movement to remove the Civil War statues and if the TED Talk changed our original thoughts. So, starting with my original thoughts about the statues being removed, I believe these statues are part of our history and that they represent our nation's past. These statues are just a representation of our history and they do not have an effect on our nation today. So why is there an issue and why do people want to remove them? So I watched the TED Talk and I saw that issues were addressed by Titus about him with his sons and his son asking why Roosevelt was the one who was riding the horse and not the two other men who were walking, and how African Americans are represented in art today and in the past. I never saw the racial undertones in some of the works of art and just did not see the reason why people wanted to remove the Civil War statues. So this kind of tied into why people want the Civil War statues removed and why some of the artwork should be amended. This got my attention and made me think about what should be done about the statues today. I did some research and I talked to some peers about it, and I came to the conclusion that the Civil War statues should remain intact and be a part of our nation, but maybe they can be placed in museums with information about the history of the piece of art to inform people about the history of our nation rather than erasing it.